Yeah, the best song in the world, right, Matt? Look at that bird. Look at that bird. Oh, the bird's gone. Oh, the bird's gone.
Look at that bird.
The bird's gone. The bird's gone.
This game's all about birds.
I didn't see that. I didn't see that great. Since we can't see the bird right now, let's look at Matt's face while he plays.
What?
Since we can't see the bird right now, let's see Matt's face while he plays.
Do you want me to drop combo so you can see the bird?
No, it's okay. I can kind of see the bird. I can see its wings. I can see the reflection of the exit sign. There's the exit sign that's reflecting. There's Matt's
so
face.
birding right now.
Huh?
I'm like 100% bird.
The background is just combo. Song. It is.
Look at the bird.
It's the best background in the game. Hopefully we can see the bird after you're done with the song.
Bird. Here, you can see it.
There's the bird. There's the bird. That's what we came to see.
Right?
Yeah, that's what we came to see.
Hey, you guys going to eat with us?
I don't know.
You guys want to go to eat with us?